Breakfast was shortcut steel-cut oats with cacao, maca, chia, hemp, cacao nibs, and cashew butter. So cozy. It's citrus season, and every day I'm amazed at the variety of citrus at the store. It's such a perfect dose of sunshine in the dead of winter. I couldn't resist these citrons, which smell amazing and are apparently one of the original citrus fruit, from which a bunch of other citrus kinds were developed. They have a really thick rind and are perfect for candying, which is what I did. I cut out the flesh and seeds and cut the rind into strips. I simmered the rinds in water for about 30 minutes until translucent. I drained them and placed them into a pot with maple syrup, honey, and more water, then simmered until the liquid reduced and thickened into a citrusy syrup. I spread the rinds in a drying rack to drain off any excess syrup, and it was time for lunch. Lunch was pretty weird, but so good. Have you ever tried broccoli stems? They're actually totally edible and really delicious. Some people even like them more than the florets, me included. All you have to do before you cook them is peel the tough outer layer with a vegetable peeler. The inside of the stems is incredibly tender, almost like artichoke hearts. So for lunch, I steamed some broccoli stems still soft and served them with leftover smoky tempeh I made and a cashew butter-based dressing that also had garlic, capers, mustard, and a hint of maple syrup. This was a totally scrapped-together lunch, but it tasted so good and was incredibly satisfying. Now that the candied citron rinds had a chance to drain, I dipped them in melted chocolate and let the chocolate harden in the fridge. Chocolate and citrus is one of my most favorite flavor combinations ever, so I was so excited to have this homemade treat on hand. Dinner was another bowl of coziness. We had pasta e ceci, aka Italian chickpea noodle soup, with the most delicious clear broth. I wilted big bunches of spinach right into the soup and topped it with plenty of red pepper flakes and olive oil. And that was it. Sending big love to you guys.